Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I'll show you how to share location in your Android phone. So at first open up your Google Maps and then tap on this profile icon at the top right corner of your display. Now here you can see location sharing option, then just tap here, then tap on share location. Now from here you can share your real-time location. You can see two options here, for 1 hour and until you turn this off, and you can set any option as you want. If you share your location for 2 hours, then you can customize time from here. Now from here you can share your location anywhere by send a link. If you want to share your location on WhatsApp, just find WhatsApp from here. Then tap on WhatsApp, then tap on share, then tap on allow, then tap on go to settings. Then you have to select allow all the time. Then just go back, then tap on continue, then tap on allow again to get notifications. Just give it a moment and then choose the person that you want to share your location. If I select this, then tap on this send icon, then tap on this send icon again, and it's done. Now your location has been shared successfully to this contact. Now the person can see your real-time location using this link. And that is how you can share location in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.